massive coconut replanting program is now underway. The target, 50 million trees in the next 3 years. More from Freddy Bando.
The Philippine Coconut Authority is committed to the replanting of 50 million coconut trees by 2016. To date, there are 350 million trees which benefit 2.5 million coconut farmers. The program is underway in all of the coconut-producing provinces of the country. For this year, 17 million will be replanted. Compostela Valley will benefit with 4 million trees destroyed by Typhoon Pablo last year. Coconut is the country's #1 agricultural export, earning close to $2 billion in 2012. More trees planted will also earn carbon credits for the Philippines, and studies show they are carbon sinkers.
Yung napapalit ka ng nag-replanting ka, nadadagdagan yung nababago yung kanilang mga trees. Hindi na yung mga traditional. So yun ang impact nun. And alam mo, sa ngayong panahon ito, kaya wala nang mas maganda magpadagdag ng tanim. Kasi ang coconut ay sa magandang yung sa climate change. Climate change mitigator.
PCA Administrator Euclides Forbes Baird, in line with the massive replanting program, is the implementation of the Kaanib program for coconut farmers to increase their income and reduce the incidence of poverty. The Kaanib program has benefited initially 500 coconut farmer organizations all over the country. The program provides an opportunity for them to develop cocoa-based livelihood programs to include processing of cocoa water and coconut virgin oil, which are high-value coconut products. These processed products earned close to $50 million in 2012.
Pag nag-village type na ito, sila na entrepreneurs. Tapos, yung value adding, mas mahal na yung produkto nila. Tapos yung labor cost, labor employment pa. Yun ang ating, tapos dito, dyan doon ang sinabi ko, ang coconut farmers pa, alam mo, we are establishing 500 Kaanib sites. 500, yung Kaanib, itong programa namin sa Kaanib, may kasama itong intercropping at livestock raising.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.